Good day, future leaders. I'm here to discuss and to share how I love to do hobbies. With so many people using cell phones, those who have nothing to do, and those who are busy, I'm here. I'm looking for impossible hobbies. Actually, I have many hobbies. I love hobbies so much, like jewelry, beads are a primary component in necklace, bracelet, earrings, and other jewelry item. I do this when I have free time, and also painting, diamond painting, and threading are also my hobbies. I love so many hobbies because it's the way to avoid the phone and also avoid the stress of what I see on social media. That's why I feel good when I'm learning new things and when I have a new hobbies. And this also helped me relieve stress and focus on myself. And when I do what I like, I feel relaxed, and of course, it's also good for us to have a good mental well-being. Hobbies can boost my mood and increase feeling of happiness and well-being. The sense of accomplishment and satisfaction delivered from mastering a skill or completing a project can be incredibly rewarding.